How to see your YouTube Wrapped. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the YouTube application on your device. Here, tap on the Use section at the bottom right corner of the screen, for which you have to log into your account. Now as you do that, here you can see different options. But as of now, you see there is no option of YouTube Wrapped over here. So let's tap on the view all on the playlist, and here you can see there is no option as well. Tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Here you can see no option. So let's see if we have an updated version of the YouTube application, for which launch the Play Store application and then simply tap on the search bar to search for YouTube. Now as you do that, here you can see we have an update available. So just tap on update, and after getting it updated, let's get and check to the YouTube, and this might give you the option of YouTube Wrapped. If not, then it shows that this feature is not available as of now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.